Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the RealityMetaverse token. Ticker symbol is RMV. Now it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow. We're going to go over the information on the RealityMetaverse token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is on the POLYGON blockchain. Ticker symbol is RMV. Name of the token is RealityMetaverse. So RealityMetaverse tokenizes the world's top landmarks into fractional shares, NFTs, and rewards the holders of these shares with royalties from high-revenue mobile games. So like I said, Polygon blockchain, 18 decimal places, ticker symbol RMV, 16,487 holders, and right now there is a max total supply, 79,990,340 tokens. Now there is another token involved in this ecosystem as well. If you go to their webpage, realitymeta.io, right at the top of the page, you can find an Etherscan, and you click on that, and that takes you to an Etherscan for an Ethereum token called the Reality Token, ticker symbol RLTM. That one has 543 holders, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 1 billion RLTM tokens. So, two different tokens. Now, this the RMV token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 26th at 9 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search RMV, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you want to get the other token, that token is also available on MEXC Global as well, and so you would just search RLTM for the Reality token on the Ethereum blockchain on MEXC Global, and you could find that one listed on there as well. So, RealityMetaverse has created a true connection between real life and the metaverse. Unlock the full potential of your digital assets in popular games, such as Landlord Go, played by millions. Breaking new ground, RealityMetaverse empowers NFT owners to monetize their assets in traditional games for the first time. So the RMV token serves as the heart of the ecosystem, unifying all of its elements from games and 3D models to NFT royalties, governance, and DAO. Also, the Reality NFTs, a collection of over 2,000 famous locations minted as NFTs, each divided into fractions. These fractions, known as FNFTs, generate royalties for their respective owners from various sources such as mobile games, revenues, and trading fees. They also have reality games, so Landlord Go, the first game in the ecosystem, boasts a staggering 6 million players, and we have plans to launch more games through our community staking. So on their webpage, you can actually click on all of the things I just read. So you can click on the reality games to play Landlord Go. You can collect the NFTs. You can click on that. It'll take you to where you can get NFTs. If you're having troubles doing anything on their page, there is a automated chat box in the corner. If you need any help, click on that and you can insert a question there and see if you can get some help. So yeah, it shows you what the NFTs look like. So there's like an Eiffel Tower. There's one for the United States here, one for Shanghai. There's all these different places and NFTs for them. So you can check those out. And it says NFTs as part of the RMV economy. Discover over 2,000 stunning 3D landmarks representing real-world buildings, cities, and countries. Enhance your collection with fully compatible assets for games and other metaverses. And so you could just go right to their marketplace to check those NFTs out on their page. So the games with RMV and the reality NFT economy, RealityMetaverse continuously adds new games where the RMV token is utilized as the primary hard currency, and reality NFTs are used as the premium content. So some other games that are going to be coming out here is Donut Trumpet Tycoon, Weather Challenge, and Food Truck Tycoon, and I'm sure there's more here, I think. And another one called Speculate. And then the official Landlord Go is on there too as well. So royalties from millions of players. Imagine two interacting universes. NFT owners earn royalties from mobile games, while traditional gamers gain access to enhanced premium content for a more immersive experience. Now, they have a sustainable business model with a constant demand, so we expect a steady demand for our RMV token due to its utility in acquiring NFTs, partnering with other projects, collaborating on 3D models, and earning royalties from other games. Additionally, other games may use fiat currency to make profits and purchase RMV tokens, which we can then share with NFT owners, creating a continuous demand for our token. So the token's utility, it says it's ERC20 token, holds reality's metaverse ecosystem together. It's got deflationary mechanisms. That's why it's kind of a strange max total supply. Used for transactions in the reality metaverse, RMV allows governing access as well. And there's also a full CertiK audit report that you could check out on the token. And yeah, so have a look at realitymeta.io. Have a look at all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC global one where this token will be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for everybody who's been hitting that join button and supporting the channel. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.